Saving for a down payment requires discipline and determination. Whether you're aiming for the minimum down payment, like most first-time homebuyers, or 20% down, there are some strategies to help you get there. As early as you can, set up a dedicated bank account and start saving. Maybe a little off every paycheck, your tax return, the extra funds from that long-awaited raise. The trick is to start thinking about where any extra funds, a little or a lot, can be funneled into your down payment account. Here are 2 other common ways to build up your down payment. Perhaps you have someone willing to gift you the funds for your down payment. That's great. Here are a few important requirements that your lender will have. Only a parent or other blood relatives, like your grandparents, can actually give you that money. And you'll need a signed gift letter that says the funds are a gift and you are not required to pay the money back at any time. In other words, the money is a gift, not a loan. Another way you could get some down payment funds is from your own RRSP. The Federal Home Buyers Program, HBP, lets first-time homebuyers withdraw up to $25,000 tax-free from their RRSP, as long as the money has been inside the RRSP for at least 90 days. If you have contribution room, you can take whatever funds you've already saved for your down payment, up to $25,000, and put that into your RRSP just before the deadline. Then, whatever tax refund you get will further boost the funds you have available for your purchase. After 90 days, you redeem your funds under the HBP. If you're buying the home with a partner, then you can both withdraw from your RRSP for a total of $50,000 towards your home. Of course, you must both be first-time homebuyers. You'll eventually need to pay the withdrawn funds according to a repayment plan. Otherwise, you'll pay the income tax. So lots of down payment options, right? Some easy, some not so. That's why if you are in the saving up stage of preparing for homeownership, this is a great time to meet. Next up, verify your down payment. The Mortgage Kit, brought to you by your friends at INVIS Mortgage Intelligence.